Let's do some problems, figure it out, fill in the blanks with the numbers and boxes by sign so that the expressions on both sides are equal. First one is given as 3 into 6 plus 7, which is equal to 3 into 6 plus 3 into 7. Next one is 8 plus 3 into 4 is equal to 8 into 4 plus 3 into 4. Next question, 3 times 5 plus 6 is equal to 3 times 5 and plus 3 times 8. So we have 3 times 5. So the sign is plus 3 times 8. So the answer is 3 times 5 plus 3 times 8. Next question, 9 plus 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 9 times 4 plus 2 times 4. Next question, 3 times dash plus 4 is equal to 3 times, we can write it as 6, then 6, 3 times 6 plus 3 times 4. Next question, first term is missing. Plus 6 multiplied by 4 is equal to 13 into 4. That is, we multiplying these terms like this. So 13 plus 4 plus 6 multiplied by 4. So the answer here is 13. Next question, 3 times dash plus dash. Here we can see that 3 is common and the other part is 4 plus 2. Sorry, 5 plus 2. So the answer will be 5 plus 2 multiplied by 3. Next question, all the three terms are missing, but we have the value of the expression 2 into 4 plus 3 into 4. The 4 is common, so we can take it outside. In the bracket, we can write 2 plus 3. Next question, 5 times 9 minus 2 is equal to 5 times 9 minus 5 times 2. 5 minus 2 times 7 is equal to 5 times 7 minus 2 times 7. 5 times 8 minus 3 is equal to 5 times 8 minus 5 times 3. 8 minus 3 multiplied by 7 is equal to 8 multiplied by 7 minus 3 multiplied by 7. The next question, 5 multiplied by 12 minus dash. We don't know the number, so we can write any number 6. Then we can write 5 times 12 minus 5 times 6. 15 minus dash multiplied by 7 is equal to, here we can say that, see that 7 is the multiplication number. This number will be 15. The first number will be 15. And the second number we have 6 into 7. So 6 is the term missing here and the sign is minus. Next question, 5 times dash minus dash. Here we can see that 9 minus 4. So the answer is 9 minus 4. Next we have three numbers, three terms are missing. So we can say that multiplied by 7 is common. So we can multiply by 7 and in bracket we write 17 minus 9. Second question in the boxes below, fill less than, greater than, or equal to after analyzing the expressions on the LHS and RHS. Use reasoning and understanding of terms and brackets to figure this out and not by evaluating the expressions. First one is 8 minus 3 multiplied by 29. Second one is 3 minus 2 multiplied by 29. Here we can see that 3 minus 8 will be a negative number. So it will be less than. 8 minus 3 is a positive number. So it will be less, greater than 3 minus 8 into 29. Next question, 15 plus 9 into 18. Here 15 plus 9 into 18. Here we can see that 18 is multiplied by 15 plus 9, and here 18 is multiplied by 9 or only. So 15 plus 9 is more than 9. So we can say that this will be less than. Next question, 23 is multiplied by 17 minus 9, and here 23 multiplied by 17 plus 23 multiplied by 19. We can write it as 23 multiplied by 17 and 9. So 17 plus 9. So here 17 minus 9. Here 17 plus 9. So with this is the greatest one. So the sign will be less than. The fourth question, 34 minus 28 multiplied by 42. Here 34 multiplied by 42 minus 28 multiplied by 42. 42 is common. So 34 minus 28 multiplied by 42 is the expression. So which is same. So the sign will be equal to. Third question, here is one way to make 14. 2 into 1 plus 6, that is equal to 14. Are there other ways of getting 14? Fill them out below. Here we can see that 2 into 1 plus 6. 1 plus 6 can be changed to plus 5, and 3 plus 4, or we can write 0 plus 7. We can multiply 1 by 14, and the 14 can be split into addition. 10 plus 4, or 7 plus 7, 11 plus 3, 12 plus 2. So there are so many ways to express 14. So let write 1 times 7 plus 7, and 1 times 10 plus 4, or we can write 2 times 2 plus 4, 2 times 3 plus 4, 2 plus 5, and 2 times 3 plus 4. So the all the expressions will get the value 14. The fourth question, find out the sum of the numbers given in each picture below in at least two different ways. Describe how you solved it through expressions. Solve in rows. There are two 4s, so 4 times 2 plus 1 8. And here 2 times 8 plus 4. And here 2 times 4 plus 8. So we can write. So the sum of numbers is 2 into 4 plus 8 plus 2 into 8 plus 4 plus 2 into 4 plus 8. Total 5 fours. So 5 into 4 plus there are 4 8. So 4 times 8, which is equal to 5 times 4 is 20 plus 4 times 8 is 32. So total 52. In another way, we can find the sum of these numbers by counting the yellow fours. There are 5 yellow fours, so 5 times 4 plus blue 8s are 4, so 4 times 8, that is equal to 4 is common in both multiplication, so we can take 4 outside. 4 multiplied by 5 plus 8 is the expression we got. Then solving, we get 4 times 13. We can also write 13 by 10 plus 3. So it will become 4 times 10 plus 4 times 3. 4 times 10 is 40 plus 4 times 3 is 12. So we got answer 52. Next we can solve in two methods. The next picture, in rows we can count. There are two fives and two six. Each row contains two six and two fives. So the total number of 6 is 8 and the total number of 5 is 8. So 8 multiplied by 6 plus 8 multiplied by 5 is the expression we got. Then we can take it outside. Then we got 8 into 6 plus 5, that is equal to 8 into 11, that is equal to 88 is the answer. Method 2, counting the blue coins, that is 5, which is 8 in number in the picture, and counting the red coins, which are 6, which are 8 in numbers also. So we can write the expression 5 times 8 plus 6 times 8 is the total number. So we can take 8 outside, then 5 plus 6 will be in the bracket. 8 into 5 plus 6 can be written as 10 plus 1. So 8 into 10 plus 8 into 1 we got. Then 8 into 10 is 80 plus 8 into 1 is 8. So the answer is 88.